Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my latest addition to the shop. This one's fresh out of the box and she's a little on the rough side. It's a Jensen 20G brass tag edition. So it's a bit older, a little bit more on the rare side. As you can tell, I can turn it around without tangling the cord up because it doesn't have one. The cord and the chimney support and the chimney are all missing, as well as that, I'm sure that plate in there is gone. Yeah, that's missing. The spring is broken. The whistle, I gotta rebuild that. Let's check out the safety valve. Yeah, the spring's broke on that too. We'll get to redo that. Probably polish up and re-nickel plate the boiler. I've got a spare heater for it. She's a little bit tarnished, a little bit aged looking. And we're missing the reversing spring there. But let's see if she's got some kind of compression. Oh yeah. The valve and the compression are good. Anytime you get them bouncing back like that without the valve being open, you got a nice, good compression here and good tight seal on the valve. I'll probably put some air to it in a little bit since I tighten it up some. The old generator. I'm getting a faint little bit of light out of the bulb. So that's got good compression. I kind of want to make a video of it before I start doing everything to it. As you can see, she is a brass tagger. And that's good. I don't think they built a fire under the boiler. The wood doesn't look burned up, but we'll know when we pull it all apart. But anyway, this is how I received it just a couple of minutes ago. And I got some work to do, and we're going to do that work. Make her shine as much as she's able. A little on the rough side right now, but at least it's straight. Don't see any dings in the boiler so far. That's good. Alright, got my work cut out for me. Thanks for looking. I'll be back when she looks a little better, I hope. Bye now.